Hi everyone, hi Beth.
Hi, Gerry.
Yeah, so we have here like our clip number 5, and Beth is gonna be sharing with us like some tips of how to stay healthy. Yeah.
Yes. We've talked about our nutrition tips. We want to break it down to 3 really quick ones. One, so simple, hydration. Having water throughout the day, perhaps having a glass of warm water, a mug of warm water in the morning before our coffee or tea. Being hydrated. It really affects our energy and our mood as well. And if maybe you've had a headache, it could be dehydration. So staying nice and hydrated. Tip number 2, sleep. So getting sleep, and please prioritize sleep right now. Really try to get 7 to 9 hours. Really try to get to sleep before midnight, perhaps 9 or 10 o'clock. Really restore, and it'll help reset everything. Please get your sleep and prioritize it. And then number 3, movement. So getting outside and getting fresh air where possible. And if you're indoors, taking advantage of online access to yoga classes, to the Sadhana Live, or some of the Sadhana clips, doing 20 minutes ideally, and more, of course, if possible. You'll feel much better.
Yeah, fantastic. So 3 very easy things. 1, keep hydrated, as you said.
Yes.
2nd, sleep. Allow your body to get all these defenses, like your immune system to get very strong.
Yes, yeah.
And then do yoga, do movement, and then we have Sadhana Live ready for you. You can have live classes, pre-recorded, whatever you can do, but then keep yourself moving.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much, Beth.
Thank you, Gerry.